Alright, today we're going to take a look at another nice example of a Zippo, good for my collection. And this one is in a safe. And if you're wondering, the combination to the safe is 159E. So the Zippo's in there somewhere. So there is the Zippo, and let's take a look at this thing. And it says high polish brass armor heavy, and there's the barcode. There's that idiotic nonsense P65. This is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And you can see it's a special one because it's got the armor case logo on the insert. And you can see there's a mirror polish on that. And it is brass. Good reason to wear gloves. This will take fingerprints nicely and scratch up. And the stamping is unusual on this, or at least it's a little different. So you can see this is a, looks like K of 21, which I believe is November. And the A, which is the same as the armor symbol. It's got that little A shield with a flame on top. If you look in the bottom right here, you can see that armor is stamped onto the case. And you can see the stamping is Bradford, PA, made in USA. Now this logo has changed a few years ago. Here's another one. You can see the little A in the shield is in the center. And they moved it to the right, lower right, because they had to make the Zippo smaller to accommodate that little shield. And they wanted to make the Zippo as big as they could on that stamping. So that's the new one. That's the old one. This was made in 2012. I'm not sure when they changed the logo location, but I think it's been a few years. And one other thing about armor Zippos is that if you look at the stampings, you'll notice that the hinge is on the right side as you're looking at it right there. There's the hinge. And if you look at a normal Zippo, one of my favorite Zippos, and you look at the stampings, you'll notice that the hinge is on the left, right there. So this is a high polish armor, and the armor means it's about, I can't remember how much bigger it is. It's not much bigger, but the brass body is a little thicker. This has got a really nice note. It's almost musical. And of course it has a brass colored insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this armor Zippo. So it does pass the drop test. This is a good one for either a desktop or a collection. If you carry it, you'll get lots of fingerprints and scratches on it. So that is a nice looking Zippo for my collection, and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.